Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a one, them a take a bad man, me a come in me.
Hey my dolls, so it's your girl Aya coming at you guys today with a review, and the wig that I'll be reviewing is gonna be the Sensational Empress wig Jade, well Trissa, and I have Trissa in the color Jade. Here is that stock card. Trissa really caught my eye because she is in this beautiful green color, and I was like, ooh, another green wig. And y'all know I love me some color. I'm not afraid of color. I'm not shy when it comes to color, because you know I love to experiment with wigs and different colors and styles and things like that. So y'all know this was right up my alley. So I was like, okay, let me go ahead and get her. At first I wasn't gonna review her on my channel, but you know, I was like, it is what it is. She's been reviewed tons and tons of time, and I was like, well, you know what, let me give you my take on her. So here is Miss Trissa. Yes, I have her in the color Jade, the same color as the model on the stock card. She is going to be a center part wig. Here is her parting area. I'm going to go ahead and take her off my mannequin head so I can show you guys the inside construction of the cap. So she is going to give you a total of 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, the adjustable straps, and here is that parting area. She also has the parting around the perimeter, which I'm going to go ahead and cut off for you dolls. I noticed that I never really showed you guys what I really do to my wigs when I do take them out the pack and things like that. So I was like, okay, I might as well go ahead and do this for you. So yeah, I want to say thank you so much for supporting my channel. Like, you guys have been so awesome, especially the ones who are always commenting and just coming to my channel, watching and things like that. I really appreciate you dolls. You dolls are the bomb. You guys keep me motivated and going, because at one point, I can tell you guys, I was ready to quit, okay? Like, I was really ready to quit YouTube. I was getting a little discouraged, but a lot of you reached out and, you know, let me know, keep going, don't stop, especially my YT sisters as well. They were like, no, you got to keep going. You came this far. So I just want to say thank you to those who have always been rocking with me and always having an encouraging word and things like that. I really do appreciate it. It does not go unnoticed. And guess what? We hit 8K, okay? Like, I'm super excited. So I will be having a giveaway coming up shortly. So stay tuned for that. I really do want to do a lot with my channel. I'm just not sure how to properly execute it to where it'll come off like I'm just not putting anything out on the channel. You know, I want to make it cohesive when I put certain content out. Like I said, I do want to do a lot with it because I do like the YouTube platform. However, I don't think it's made for smaller channels, in my opinion, because, you know, we don't bring in the big bucks like the bigger drama channels and things like that, or the couples channels. And yeah, I don't see how them couples do it, because I am not putting my business out there for the world to see, because when y'all break up or you say one wrong thing about that man, oh my goodness, people are coming out the woodworks hoping and praying that your relationship fails, and that I would never do. So that's why I don't put too much of my business out there. Like, y'all know I'm engaged to get married, but for the most part, I don't put my relationship out there like that anyway, because what goes on in my house stays in my house. Now, I will share with you dolls, you know, a little bit of my wedding day. I'm not going to leave you guys totally, you know, in the dark. I am going to go ahead and share with you guys a little bit of my wedding day. So stay tuned for that as well. But yeah, here is Miss Trissa. I went ahead and I cut her lace off. She's pretty long, so I think I may end up cutting her. But for right now, I'm going to go ahead and prep my lace. The lace parting area, I'm going to go ahead and put my powder foundation in there. And this is my foundation. This is the LA Colors Mineral Foundation Pressed Powder, and I have it in a color Toffee. There we go. Yeah, I have it in color Toffee. And I just have my little brush here. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys for everything that you guys, you know, do for me. And like I said, the encouraging words, you know, always supporting and watching my videos and sharing and things like that. So yeah. let me stop rambling on and get on with this review, y'all. So I had enough of my little rambling session. I just wanted to, you know, quickly give you guys a little update and things like that about what was going on with me, and just show you guys what I do when I'm prepping my wigs for these reviews. And y'all, look at Miss Jade, baby. Oh my goodness, I am thoroughly impressed with Miss Jade. I did go ahead and finger comb her out, and I also took a brush to her as well because I wasn't happy with how the finger combing was going. So I did go ahead and brush her out as well as finger combing. So this was my results after the finger combing and taking a brush to her. Here is the parting area after adding the powder to her as well. And as you guys can see in the previous clip, I went ahead and I added the powder underneath the lace. So let me give you a little 360 of Miss Trissa. And here is the left side. Here is the right. And here's all the hair to the back of the unit. She's really, really nice and full, as you guys can see. I hope my camera is focusing, but she has really good body on her. Like, she is gorgeously done. Okay, I love the fact that she is a center part. I had to get used to the center parts because I was always self-conscious about center parts wigs in my forehead area, because I have a bit of a forehead, as you guys can tell. But I was like, I had to pick her up. I'm very comfortable with a center part wig more than ever now, and y'all, she does not disappoint at all. I'm loving Miss Trissa. I was calling her Jade, but that's the color I have her in. I have her in the color Jade. Trissa does not disappoint at all, but I will let you guys know the ends are not going to last too long if I don't cut them. So let me go ahead and cut them real quick, because I don't want them to be too long, because they'll get ratty afterwards. And I don't have my shearing scissors, so I'm gonna just use these regular old scissors. I'm gonna just cut her on a downward angle. Just cut her that much. Yeah, it looks a lot better now with the, you know, a little length being cut on her. I should have got her in black though. I feel like I need to go back and purchase this wig in black, in like a 1B. Because I think I know she'll be hot in a 1B. Like, this is some good hair, y'all. Oh my goodness. Like, I am loving this. This is some really, really good hair. Sensationnel has not disappointed me in a while. And so, I don't know, every wig that I'm getting from their collections, I'm thoroughly impressed. I have not had too many complaints with them. My dreadlock wig is still going strong. However, I will do an update on that because I want you guys to see what that dreadlock wig looks like after a couple of wears. So I will do an update on that also. But yeah, she is gorgeous, and she looks a lot better now that I did cut her. Now, as far as tangling and shedding, yes, she does tingle. And yes, she does shed, so keep that in mind. I am going to spray some hairspray on her so I don't lose her curls, because I do love her curl pattern. So that's, y'all know I'm here for this curl pattern. Like, I don't have really too much to say about this wig other than the fact that I think she is gorgeous, very diva-ish. Like, she is the bomb, especially in this green color. I'm loving the green. As far as her texture, she like a light yaki texture. And let me get up close so you guys can see her texture. And look at the color. It has like black, and then you get your green. And let me show you. Y'all see a little bit of tangling right there. So yeah. But I do love how she falls and frames my face. So she's a good middle part unit. So for my ladies that love a middle part, this one is for you. Like, I'm really totally digging this wig, y'all. I thought this was a hype wig, and you know, because y'all know sometimes there's a lot of wigs out there that were hyped up and they were trash. So I was like, let me see if she's gonna be just another hype wig. But this one is really, really nice. I really do like Miss Trissa. She's gorgeous. And if her curls do drop or anything like that, you can always straighten her out or recurl her, because she is heat safe up to, I believe, 400 degrees if I'm not mistaken, but she does have the Futura fiber, so she is heat safe to recurl. Like, she is just gorgeous. I love the parting area on it. Like, there's not too much more that I can say about Trissa. So with that being said, let me know what you think about Trissa on me. Of course, as always, I will come at you dolls with another review. Thank you so much for watching and getting my channel up to 8K. You guys are the bomb for that. Okay, so it definitely is not going unnoticed. Like I said, I will have a giveaway coming up soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And you know, hey, thank you so much for watching all day. I will talk to you dolls later. Bye.